We're here today at a momentous occasion of EvoQuip's 1500th machine. So EvoQuip was formed in 2016, and year on year we have been growing as a business. This year we will actually produce over 300 machines, which equates to around 20% of EvoQuips ever built will be built in 2024. So taking receipt of this Bison 280 is FJS, our valued distributor in Ireland. So FJS has been doing a really good job for us in Ireland this year. This will be their 5th crusher. The partnership with FJS started in 2019, and just like EvoQuip, they have grown year on year, and now they have 2 full-time dedicated people who spend all their time specifically on EvoQuip. Frank Smith, who owns FJS, will give us a few words now shortly on the partnership with EvoQuip and also what it means to them on taking receipt of the 1500th ever EvoQuip machine.
Hello, I'm Frank Smith from FJS Plant in Ireland. We're EvoQuip dealers since 2019, and we're delighted to be in receipt of the 1500 machine from the production line. Well, EvoQuip for us has just fitted in nicely into the portfolio of what we do. It's also got us in with new customers and some existing customers, and with the changes with recycling and more focus on that in the next few years, I think it's a brand that's really going to grow for us. It's great, and it's brilliant that it's here in Ireland, especially when it's manufactured so close. And it's great for the team in FJS to get this bit of an award as well. We have a couple of dedicated people towards EvoQuip now, even though the whole company is involved. We have 2 dedicated people towards the brand, so they work full time on it at sales and service, and they're supported by everyone else there. Yeah, so this machine will be delivered to a site in Adamstown in Dublin, and hopefully by early next week it will be churning out the tonnage.
Hello, Michael Garvey here. Very happy to be in Tarak's Oma site to look at our 1500th EvoQuip machine. We've got the Bison 280. The Bison 280 is a 28-ton jaw crusher. It's a direct drive off a Cat C 4.4 188 horsepower engine. The chamber on the Bison 280 is a 900 by 600, and this machine's fitted with a deflector plate to help with recycling applications that may be heavy with rebar. The product conveyor on the Bison 280 is 800mm wide, and it's got a stockpile capacity of 3 metres. We've also got a magnet fitted here to remove any steel within your product. And we've got raise and lower off the main conveyor, which helps with access as well. So contact FJS for any inquiries on the Bison 280 within Ireland.